Hey, what's up, Superstonk? Nathan here. Was able to troubleshoot these, excuse me, these issues that I was having minting NFTs earlier. So that last video, you noticed that I put up, we were getting this broken image, and now I've been able to figure that out. So we're getting the images displayed here within the Loopring Level 2 account. So I'm going to run through the steps that I changed in the metadata file to get this actually working. For those of you that haven't seen any of these videos, let's just run it back to the start and explain the entire NFT minting process here briefly. So the first thing you need is a Loopring Layer 2 account, and you also need a MetaMask or a Wallet Connect account. So you notice that the first time when you actually go to Loopring, it's going to ask you to connect a wallet. So if you don't have one of these set up, you're going to need to run through those steps and actually get the account funded. I went with MetaMask, but you're welcome to go either way. When you're initially setting this up, they're going to ask you a few questions, and they have some fiat on-ramps to actually fund your account. That wasn't available in my area, so I actually had to buy some Ethereum over on Coinbase and then send that over to my MetaMask account, and then I was able to actually open the Layer 2 account here. So this is kind of the first steps you need to go through is just getting these few accounts set up. The next bit is to create a Pinata account so you can actually upload your files to the interplanetary file system. And that's what I've done here. So if you have your NFT art and metadata files already created, then you can go ahead and upload them to Pinata and actually start the NFT minting process. On my desktop, you'll see I've got just a handful of images that I wanted to mint for this Daily Digest series that I write over on the Superstonk subreddit. And those images were uploaded right here. Just say upload folder, grab that folder, and we can see each of these images have been uploaded. And so I have successfully minted the 21st, 22nd. The 24th is the one that was showing up broken. So in this example, we'll go with the 23rd. Now in the previous videos, I was grabbing this content identifier from Pinata, and that was churning up some strange issues. And actually the Loopring team has opened a ticket on this. So there's kind of some mixed feedback on these guides as to whether we should be using this ID or this path here. I have found that using this path does work today when I'm minting, but again, there's kind of some mixed feedback out there as to whether or not this is the appropriate way to do things. I'm not an expert on this. I can't confirm whether or not this is the way to go. I can confirm that it is working though. So let's open our metadata file and actually modify this so we can post what we want or mint our NFT. So you see I've got my description. This is just a naming convention of my own. Here is the CID that we were placing from Pinata. So you'll notice now instead of just the content identifier string, I've actually got the that string and then the slash with the image file name here. So this is something that I kind of pre-filled out. I do have an example here, and I will paste this into the video description so that you're able to just kind of copy paste this and then insert your own values here. So let's see, we're on the 23rd. So let's save this. Now I've got this metadata file stored in a folder here on my desktop. You can see those changes that I made just went through. One thing you need to remember is that this needs to have the .json file extension. So if you were to open like a text editor and save this, it might end up as metadata.json.txt. So you're going to need to drop that .txt and just have this JSON extension. So I'm going to upload this new metadata file. And I'm just going to say this is the second one I've done for the 23rd. And okay, so here we have the metadata file successfully uploaded. If I copy this CID, I should be able to mint this NFT. MetaMask will ask me to sign this request. We can see the mint is in progress. Mint has been submitted, great. And in just a moment here, we should see that that's all confirmed, and we should have another NFT minted here in my account. Can confirm the balance has gone down, and boom, okay, there we go. So now the NFT from the 23rd is indeed in my account. So that's pretty much the whole process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Like I said, I'm not an expert on this, so I'll try my best to help you out. Otherwise, head over to the Loopring Discord and pop into their support channel. And those guys are wonderful. They have helped me through a handful of issues getting through this, and I'm sure they can help you do the same. All right, catch you soon. Bye.